In this video, I will show you how you can create local reinforcements and doily patterns in TaniqWind Pro. During this demonstration, I will show how you can create a local reinforcement path and create a doily pattern with the path. For this demonstration, I will be using the shown pressure vessel liner. We will start by opening the sectioned path panel where we can specify the local reinforcement path. If we set the reference point to -700 with a winding angle of 20 degrees and create a second point at -900 with a winding angle of 27.3 degrees, we can add the section and create the path. We can visualize this single path in the plot area and set it to the layer by pressing the OK button at the bottom of the panel. Now we can open the doily pattern panel. In here we can set the coverage determining search parameters with the number of repetitions or the coverage in percentage. For now I will use a coverage of 100% at the reference point of -900. If we compute the available patterns and plot the tapes for the pattern with 56 repetitions, we can see that we have a fully closing pattern at the bottom of the paths and gaps at the top of the paths. If we set the reference point to -700 and plot the tapes, we can see a perfectly closing pattern on the cylinder part and overlap on the dome side. We can now also create a flipped version of this doily pattern by recreating the individual section path via the section path panel and performing a flip edit on the path. After this, we can again create a doily pattern with the same coverage for this flip path using the doily pattern panel. If you would like to create an equal coverage local reinforcement, we can create a low coverage hoop path and apply a doily pattern to it. We can do this by opening the hoop path panel and setting the start and end position as well as a coverage of, for example, 2%. If we would now create a doily pattern for this path using 100% coverage and plot these tapes, we can see all the tapes laying side to side. In the coverage plot, we can also see that there is 100% coverage on the entire length of the pattern. This is the end of the local reinforcement doily pattern demonstration video, where I've demonstrated how you can create a local reinforcement path and create a doily pattern in TaniqWind Pro. If you're interested in other highlighted videos, these can be found at the TANIQ YouTube channel.